Okay, continuing on with example 21. In May of 2018, the average interest rate for mortgages was 4.75% for a 30-year loan, 4.3% for a 20-year loan, and 4.15% for a 15-year loan mortgage. Suppose you purchase a house for $149,000 and you put 10% down. How much are you borrowing? So again, if you're going to make that down payment, you're going to end up paying 10% of that $149,000 or $14,900 up front. So then the amount that you will borrow is the cost of the house, $149,000, minus that $14,900, or in other words, you're borrowing $134,100. Now, what we're going to be doing is we're going to find the monthly payment and the interest paid if we choose each of those different terms of loans. And this is very common, by the way, that the longer your term meaning the number of years you're going to pay, the higher the interest rate. Okay, that is very common. That is not atypical at all. So for our 30-year loan, that's 4.75% interest for this 30-year loan. And again, we are borrowing $134,100. So there's our principal. We're looking for the regular monthly payment. Our interest rate is 4.75%, and that's for 30 years. So we should be getting good at this now. That number on the right is what's being multiplied by R. So again, kind of the short version to make sure you're headed down the right path. That should be 191.700 and a bunch of other numbers after that. You will get a regular monthly payment of $699.53. So that's part of the question. That's the regular monthly payment, but it also is asking us for the interest paid. We've got to take care of that part too. Okay, we've got to do and the interest that has been paid. So again, you're paying $699.53 every month for 30 years. And you borrowed $134,100. Remember, we did make a down payment. So altogether, you will be paying $117,730.80 in interest. Okay, so here's our regular monthly payment, just under $700 a month, for a total of just shy of $118,000 in interest whenever you borrow $134,000. All right, what I'm going to ask that you do, like we've done before, is go ahead and pause the video. Solve the next two problems. Figure out what the monthly payment and interest would be if you took out the 20-year loan. And again, as a reminder, that's at 4.3% interest. And also if you took out the 15-year loan, which is at 4.15% interest. And when you're done, resume the video and see how you did. Okay, so as you do these calculations, hopefully you notice that the only numbers that you're changing are the values of R, the interest rate, lowercase r that is, and then the value of T for the number of years that your loan is being taken out. So when you take out a 20-year loan, notice that compared to the 30-year loan, your monthly payment does go up. However, the amount of interest goes down pretty dramatically. You are really cutting that interest close to in half. And then when you go to your 15-year loan, again, monthly payment goes up, but whenever you look at the amount of interest you're paying over the life of the loan, again, it has dropped pretty significantly, even from the 20-year loans, dropped by about $20,000.